centrum on the cylinder dynasty of ancient Mataram Kingdom. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. Borobudur was well known all over the world. Its construction influenced by the Gupta architecture of India. The temple is constructed on hill 46 meters high and consists of 8 steps like Tone Trace. The first 5 terraces are square and surrounded by walls adorned with Buddhist sculpture in bas relief. The upper there are circular edge of the midst with a high circle of base half stupat. The entire upper structure is crowned with a large stupa at the center of the top circle.